Exercise 10C. Question number 6. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of first 17 terms of it is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. So what are the things given? Sum of first 7 terms. So how can we represent that? Sum of first 7 terms. Tell me. Sum of first 7 terms.
7 equal to 49.
Huh?
T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus
Sum of just write the formula. Sum of first 7 terms of an AP. First 7 sum represent it as what? Yes. Sum of
7 is equal to 49.
yes, 7 terms means yes, 7 is equal to what? Sum of 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of first 17 terms. First 17 terms. 17 terms. So how can we represent that?
S17 is equal to 289.
289. Find the sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms means Sn we want to find out. Sn means what? Two formula. N by 2 into first term plus last term or n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So how can we do this? S7 is equal to 49. If we have Tn is equal to suppose 49 means what we are doing? We are substituting formula of Tn. No? So T8 means same as the formula we are substituting that T8 will be A plus 17. Same way S7 is equal to 49. We know Sn is equal to what? Sn is equal to formula. We don't have the which one? Last term. So which formula we can apply? We don't have the last term.
second formula.
So which formula?
N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Only we can apply this formula. Why? Because we don't have the last term. So S7 is equal to 49 means instead of n we can replace it as 49. So how can we write this? S7 is equal to 49. So it will be, do it. Start. Write down. S7 is equal to 49. S7 is equal to 289. Sn is equal to question mark. Sn is equal to question mark. We know Sn is equal to formula for Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S7, we want to substitute, we want to find Sn, we want to substitute a d. So for that solve S7 and S17. So how can we do this? S17 is equal to S7 is equal to what? Instead of S7, we can write it as what?
49.
49.
S7 is 49.
S7.
S7 is 49, okay. Then S7, replace S7 in formula form. Formula form.
S7 is equal to 7 by 2
1
into
is equal to 7
Same formula we
into
want to apply.
2.
7 by 2 into, instead of S7, replace it in the formula form. 7 by 2 into what?
2.
2a only. We don't have a. We want to find out.
2a plus 7 minus 1
plus
into
7
d.
minus 1 into
7 minus 1 means what? 6, no? Directly we can write. 6d is equal to 49. Up to this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Then write down. After that we can do. First write up to this. So 2a plus 6d is equal to 49. Then take this 7 by 2 to the right side. So it will be into, take the reciprocal, it will be 2 by 7. Left side to right side. So 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7. Then 7 and 49 cancel 7 times. So 2a plus 6d is equal to 7 2s are 14. 2 is common. So dividing throughout by dividing throughout by 2. That means 2a divided by 2 is what? 2 cancel, it will be a. So a plus 6d by 2. So it will be 3d plus 3d is equal to 14 divided by 2, 7. So 7, let it be equation number 1. Equation number 1. Then we have S7 is equal to 49, so we do this. Then next is what? We have S17 is equal to 289. Same step. S17 is equal to 289. Do it. So S7 is equal to 289. Therefore, 17 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 289. So n minus 1, sorry, n minus 1 is here what? 17 minus 1?
16.
16d. 16d, no, 17 here. So n minus 1 will be 17 minus 1, 16d. So next step, 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 as 289 itself. Then 17 by 2 will become what? Into
2 by 17.
2 by
2 by
7.
17.
2 by 17. Then 17 and 289 will cancel. How many times?
17 times.
Plus 16d is equal to 17 into 17 is what? 17 into 17. 289.
289.
So 17 into 2. Multiply 17 and 2. 34. So 34. Can we divide? 2 is common there, no?
Yes.
Dividing through what? By 2. So it will be 2a by
A
2
plus
will be a plus
8d
8d. That is 16 divided by 2, 8. Then
is equal to 17.
34 divided by 2 is 70. Let it be equation number 2. Equation number 2. We have equation number 1, right there. Solve 1 and 2. Equation 1.
A plus 3d is equal to 7.
A plus 3d is equal to 7. That is equation number 1. Now we got a plus 8d is equal to 70. So subtraction. No?
Subtraction.
So subtract. So a will go. Then 3d minus 8d. If you have any doubt, do in the working order. 3d minus 8d. One sign is positive, other sign is negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So it will be negative 5d is equal to 7 minus 17.
Negative 10.
Negative 10.
10.
So d is equal to
Negative
negative
10 divided by negative 5 is equal to 2.
negative
2
divided by negative
cancels.
positive.
2d.
So d is equal to 2.
2.
Then substitute
D is equal to 2 in 1.
d is equal to 2 in d is equal
Equation number 1.
in a plus 3d is equal to 7. Okay. Now, what? A plus 3 into 2.
Plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7.
7. A plus 6
6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. A is equal to 1.
A equal to 1.
Handwriting mark in
No, no. Handwriting in mark no liya, പക്ഷെ mark പിടിക്കും. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a. A is what? 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d 2. So Sn will be n by 2 into 2 plus 2n. Change the brackets. 2n minus 2. So final answer will be what? What the answer? This one, any doubt? N minus 1 into 2, changing the brackets. Doubt undo ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ഇത്? ഇല്ല? Hello?
മാം 2 ഇപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് തട്ടിയിട്ട് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുമോ അങ്ങനെ?
Okay. ഇവിടെ ഒന്നുകൂടെ ഒരു സ്റ്റെപ്പ് കൂടെ ഇടാം. Okay. So 2 into n minus 1 into 2. So next step it will be 2 into 1, 2 plus first write 2, then n minus 1. Okay. Now okay, no? Then Sony.
Yes, ma'am.
2 minutes
2
here.
plus
Okay.
2n,
Then 2 plus 2 into n,
2n
2n, then 2
minus
into negative 1 minus 2.
minus
Okay.
2,
Then positive 2, negative 2
negative 2,
cancel. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2n. So 2, 2 again we can cancel. So Sn is equal to n into n.
N
into
square.
n square. Next mistake from the text. N into n is n square, n plus n is 2n. So here n into n is n square. So Sn is equal to n square. Seventh one. First term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45, and the sum of its terms is 1000. Find the number of terms and the common difference of the AP. First term of an AP is 5. So how can we represent first term of an AP?
P1 is equal to 5.
P1 or A is equal to
Okay,
5.
P1 is equal to, or we can represent it as A is equal to 5.
5.
Then last term is 45. Last term.
Tn
Tn.
P is equal to 4.
is equal
Tn is equal to 45. Last term is 45. And the sum of its terms is 1000. Sum of its terms. So how many terms are there? We don't know.
Sn is equal to
Sn is
Sn is
equal to
equal to 1000.
Sn is equal to 1000. അപ്പൊ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇങ്ങനെ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് നമുക്ക് എഴുതേണ്ടതെന്നുള്ളത് മനസ്സിലായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. Find the number of terms and the common difference of the AP. Find the number of terms. So what we want to find out? Find the
last
number of
n we have
N
to
number
is
of terms.
n by 2
N.
N is equal to question mark then. And the
D.
D.
Common
D is
common
equal to
difference.
D is equal to question mark.
B.
How can we find? T1 is 5, T is equal to 45, Sn is equal to 1000.
1000.
ചെയ്യണം മാം.
Sn
ഇപ്പൊ ഞങ്ങളും ചെയ്യണോ?
ചെയ്തോളൂ. ഇത് ഈ ഒരു ചെയ്തോളൂ. ഒരുമിച്ച് ചെയ്യാം. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into
മാം റഫിൽ ചെയ്യണോ അതോ
no,
നോട്ടില്ല?
not itself. First term plus last term. First term plus last term.
Equal to n by 2 into 5 plus 45.
5 plus 45. From this, what we will get?
1000 is equal to n by 2 into 50.
50. Then,
Cancel 2 and 50.
how many times?
25 times.
25.
1000 is equal to 25 and
25 n. So, n is
n
equal
is
to
equal to 1000 by 25.
25. How many times?
40.
40.
Yes.
25. Directly, if you don't know, means do in the working order cancellation. 1000 divided by 25. Table of 5 possible. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 2s are 10. Then 0 0. Then again 5. 5 4s are 20. Then 0 40. So n is equal to 40. N we want to find out. So n we got it as 40. Next we want to find out D. So we have Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn, we have Tn as 45, no? Tn 45, substitute that. Then is equal to A, first term A, 5 plus n. What about n?
40.
40 now
minus 1.
40 minus 1 into
39D.
എന്താ
into
Into D.
into D. That we want to find out. D അല്ലേ വേണ്ടത്. D we want to find out. So D as D. Then 5 is equal to
Plus n.
5 plus 40 minus 1, 39 into D is 39D. So same equal to sign. So 45, this 5 minus 5 is equal to 39D. So 45 minus 5 is 40 is equal to 39D. So what about D? D value is
40 by 39.
40 divided by 39.
39.
That is a yes. Eighth question. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 250 and 1000 which are divisible by 9. So the natural numbers divisible by 9 are natural numbers divisible by 9 are, which are the natural numbers divisible by 9? We know 9 into 10 is 90. In between 250 and 1000. So how can we do this? 9 into 10 is 90. Then 9 into 11. 9 into 12. Find out. 9 into 13. In between 250 and 1000. Sum of first all natural numbers between 250 and 1000 which are divisible by 9. So for you it is 250 to 1000. No? So 250 divided by 9. We can't divide that. Remainder will be there. So 9 2s are 18. Balance 7 0. Then how many times possible? Possible 9 into something. It's not possible, no? So we will get a remainder. So don't take this. Next to do with the 251. 251 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18. Here 71. It's not possible. Remainder will be there. The next 252 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18. Balance 7. 72. How many times? 8 times. 72. Remainder is 0. That means 252 is divisible by 9. That means 28 into 9 is 252. We know 1 into 9 is 9. 2 into 9 is 18. Then 3 into 9 is 27, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. 28 into 9 is 252. So next one, 29 into 9. Then 30 into 9. 29 into 9, 261. 30 into 9, 270. Or 252 plus 9. Another method. 252 plus 9 will be 261. Again, plus 9 will be 270.
Ma'am, blur right.
മിസ്സിന്റെ നെറ്റ് പോയി.
All things in working order. 270, etc. All the things working order. Then sum of all natural numbers between 250 and 1000 which are divisible by 9. So start. Question number 8. Numbers which are divisible by 9 are numbers, natural numbers divisible by 9 are divisible by 9 are 252, 261, 270, etc. 299. Sum means we want to find a sum. Sn we want to find out. So Sn is equal to. So for that, what are the things we needed? Formula. Sn is equal to
10 by 2
10 by 2 into first term by last
first term plus
plus
last
last term.
So Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. So here first term is what? First term T1 is equal to what?
252.
252.
252. Then last term Tn. No, last term is
999.
okay, 999. Wait. So Sn we want to find out. What about n? Sn is equal to what about n? N. Find the sum of all natural numbers. So how many numbers will be there? That we don't know. We want to find out. N we don't know. So how can we find n?
is equal to
To find n, we have what? We have the formula what? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d formula. T 999 plus 999 is equal to a. T1 is a, no? A 252 plus n minus 1 into d, common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1, or we can say that it is what? Directly we can say it is 9. 261 minus 252 is equal to 9, or we can directly say D is equal to 9. Understood or not?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
D is 9. So substitute the value 9 here. So 999 is equal to 252 plus 9. Okay. Then change the bracket with a 9. 999 is equal to 252 plus 9n minus 9. Then solve. 999 is equal to 252 minus 9. 252 minus 9 is what?
Yes, ma'am.
So 999 minus 252 is equal to
747.
no, right side 9n minus
9 and minus
9
9.
and minus
okay, then subtract
747
747.
is equal to 9 and
9
minus
and minus
9.
9.
Then
747 plus
7
9
minus 9.
minus
Plus
9
9.
plus 9
Plus
plus
9. Plus
9.
9.
equal to 9
And
n. So 747 plus 9 is what?
756.
756 is equal to 9n. So n is equal to
756 divided by 9.
divided by 9. So n is equal to
84.
80,
4.
84. So from this nth term we got n is equal to 84. That 84 we want to substitute here. So here n is equal to 84. No, 84 we want to substitute. So before doing this, yes, then we want to do this. 84 by 2 into 252 plus 99. So final answer will be 84.
ma'am.
Cancel. So
Cancel
it will be 4 2s are 8, then 2 2s are
42.
42
42.
into 252 plus 999.
125.
1251.
151.
1000.
251.
1251.
1251. Sn is equal to 42
50.
into 1251.
52,542.
52,542. So Sn is equal to 52,542. Okay, thank you.